Okay, I got one screw out the shock absorber right here. So just the bottom ones. Get the other one out. Removing the screws from the shock absorber. This one out. Okay, got it out. My hand's cold. That in my pocket. Now, let me work on the square bar linkage screw. This piece right here, probably can't see it. Now I'm going to work on my square bar linkage here. Just the bottom screw and possibly the bottom ball joint there. So let me find the socket to fit that. I need a deep well socket for that. Find out which one fits. Looks like that may fit. Slide that over there. I can accomplish this. Gotta put some vice grips at the top to hold that. Okay, the lower control arm is coming out after I loosen the steering nickel. It's a greasy mess. Get this other. Alright. Let me get my steering nickel back. So I won't mess up my tie rod in. Screw out my pocket. My steering nickel back up there. Okay. Now, he's out. Let's move right along. Hold, lower control arm. Here we go. Get the new one in and keep moving. Get it off. Okay, so got my sway bar linkage. Got to put the vice grips at the top here. Tighten them up. And go to the bottom and turn. Might be blocking the camera about. Let's see. To block the camera just a little bit here. Okay, got my sway bar linkage screw out the bottom there, and the boot goes with it. There you have it. Got to replace that, but not right now. Okay, next I got to get under here. Get under here. Get this pin off this lower ball joint and remove the screw. Okay, I'm taking this nut off of here. Lower ball joint with my plumber's wrench. Okay, got it loose. There. Okay, slide it back up here. Slide it in place. Grab my bolts. Oh, well. We gotta do something about that. I got my shocker lower screws back in, just need to tighten them up and move them right along. So we got the sway bar linkage screw in, didn't have to remove the tie rod in. I got the ball joint screw out with the pin, so I just got my shocker absorber screw back in. Moving right along.